AI isn't magic, it's patterns. It looks at massive amounts of data, learns the patterns inside it, and then uses those patterns to make predictions. Let's break down what AI really is, cutting through the hype to show you the mechanics. Artificial intelligence is a system designed to learn patterns from data, patterns humans often miss. Feed it images, it learns visual patterns. Feed it text, it learns language patterns. Feed it sound, it learns audio patterns. And feed it numbers, it learns mathematical patterns. Humans don't program the answers. We program the process that lets AI learn from examples. Instead of telling it step by step what a cat is, we give it thousands of pictures. The system figures out the features that usually belongs to a cat. Pointy ears, whiskers, rounded eyes. No one writes rules like if ears and whiskers then cat. So in a nutshell, AI is just 3 moves. Data goes in, patterns emerge, predictions comes out. That's it. Data is whatever the AI learns from. Images, text, audio, purchases, GPS routes, click history, anything that comes in large quantities. Patterns are learned using algorithms, neural networks, decision trees, transformers. These models find relationships. Emails with certain words are likely spam. Sentences shaped a certain way, probably questions. Pixel clusters might represent a cat. Predictions are the results. Oh, this looks like a cat. Or this transaction seems unusual. This person will probably watch this movie next. AI isn't thinking. It isn't aware. It doesn't understand meaning. It calculates probabilities. Strong patterns feel intelligent. Weak patterns can lead to mistakes. That's when hallucinations happen. Once you see AI as pattern prediction, everyday tech makes sense. Netflix that predicts what you'll enjoy based on viewing patterns. Google Maps predicting the fastest route using data traffic. Banks flagging fraud when transactions break your usual patterns. Here's the key. AI doesn't work because it knows things. It works because it has seen far more data than any human could process, and it uses probability to make predictions. Once you understand data, patterns, and predictions, everything else, machine learning, neural networks, large language models, becomes simple. This is the foundation for the rest of the series. AI is the patterns and predictions. But how does it learn those patterns? That's the story of machine learning, and that is coming up in the next video.